Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to hide some games from your Steam library, because maybe you have some friends, you don't want them to see something that you have when you are logging, signing into your account. So to start to hide some games from your library, let's get to our library, press on the home button of our library, and we have to go and select which game I want to hide. As an example, I forgot the name, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. Let's say in this situation I want to hide this game from my library. I will select it, right click, and I will press on manage and I will press on hide this game. And as you can see, what if I search The Witcher? No. Witcher, just Witcher, no. Wild, no. Hunt, nothing. You can't find it anymore. So you can do that with pretty much every game that you have on Steam. Let's hide one more, 7 Days to Die, hide. And what about Dead by Daylight? Let's hide this also. Then do not worry, they will not be removed from your account, they will be only hidden. So I really hope I help you guys with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more guides. I want to wish you one more thing: have the greatest day you can have.